Hi, welcome to 2567 Plaza del Amo, Unit 109. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1303 square footage, largest 2-bedroom condominium floor plan in a desire complex of Windemere. Come inside and have a look with me. This beautifully maintained in-unit offers a bright, open layout with the feel of a single-family home. An extra sitting or den area off the living room provides the perfect spot for a home office, study area, or a cozy reading corner. The living room features a cozy fireplace. Home's additional highlights include wood laminate flooring, crown molding throughout, a laundry closet in the hallway with overhead cabinets, and 2 side-by-side parking spaces in the subterranean garage with convenient elevator access. The remodeled kitchen showcases crisp white cabinetry, elegant countertops, and a stylish backsplash, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Wrap-around balcony is ideal for relaxing or enjoying your morning coffee. The second bedroom is perfect as a guest room or home office. The hallway bathroom offers a full tub for added comfort. The spacious primary suite includes 3 closets. And an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks and a shower-in tub with glass enclosure. Windemere on the Green is a resort-style gated community offering outstanding amenities: a lap pool, swimming pool, 3 hot tubs, clubhouse with racquetball courts, billiards and ping pong tables, fitness center, potluck, barbecue area, on-site management, and ample gas parking. If you would like more information about this home or would like to tour it in person, feel free to reach out to me. My information is below.